In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to open and attempt practice question tests for the GATE exam on gatecareer.com. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type gatecareer.com. From the search results, click on the very first link. This will open the official website of GATE Career. Once the homepage opens, look at the top header menu. Here, you will find an option named Assignments. Simply click on this option to proceed. After clicking, you will see a page with all engineering branches available for GATE preparation. From this list, you can choose your branch. For this example, I will select Mechanical Engineering. When the branch page opens, you will find all the important topics required for the GATE exam. Each topic has practice quizzes prepared for you. Let's select Strength of Materials Practice Quiz. As soon as you click, the quiz will start. On the bottom right corner, you will see a timer running. This timer keeps track of your remaining time. If you don't submit before the timer ends, the test will be submitted automatically. Now, let's attempt a few questions. After solving, you can see a Submit button at the bottom. Once you are done, simply click on Submit and wait for your results. Your results page will now open. At the top, you will see a quiz overview table. This shows important information like your branch, the topic name, total number of questions, total marks, time duration, and whether negative marking is applied. Just below, you will find your quiz performance table. This shows details such as your name, the number of questions you attempted, how many answers were correct, how many were incorrect, the marks you scored, and the total time you spent during the test. The next section shows how many topics were covered in this particular quiz. Finally, when you scroll down further, you will see detailed solutions. For every question, it shows the option you selected, the correct answer, and a complete explanation. This helps you understand your mistakes and learn the correct method. And that's it. This is the simple process to open, attempt, and check practice quizzes for your branch on gatecareer.com. Use these quizzes regularly to strengthen your preparation and excel in your GATE exam.